When dealing with huge amounts of data, we find it difficult to view data and its corresponding headings at the same time. The freeze panes function can solve this problem. Take this table as an example. Click Tools, and in the View tab, select Freeze Panes. Here, we can see three options of freeze panes, namely Top Row, First Column, and Current Cell. If we want the heading row of this table to always be visible, choose Top Row. Then we can scroll through the table with the heading row fixed. And how can we disable this feature? Click Freeze Panes again. If you want to view the column labels more expediently, choose First Column here. Then we can scroll through the table with the first column fixed. In addition to these, we can also freeze any cell range according to our actual needs. Here are the steps. Select B2 and click Current Cell to freeze it. Then the cell range above the second row and that on the left of column B will be frozen. It's more convenient to view and edit table data in WPS Office for PC.